Hello, everyone, and welcome to Brightpoint Infotech Podcast. I'm your host, Premjit Singh, Marketing Manager at Brightpoint Infotech, and today we have an exciting topic to discuss, which is how AI is transforming the manufacturing industry. And to help us dive into this topic, I have with me Shannon Walsh. Shannon is the sales head for North America region at Brightpoint Infotech. Welcome, Shannon, to this podcast.
Thanks, Prem. Always good to see you and really looking forward to our conversation.
Right. Thank you so much, Shannon, for taking time out for this. So, we all know, Shannon, that AI is revolutionizing various industries and manufacturing is no exception. So, can you tell us a bit about how AI is transforming manufacturing operations?
Yeah, sure. AI, as the audience may be well aware, it is a game changer. It's been disruptive for the manufacturing industry. So things like integrating AI with ERP systems, such as Microsoft Dynamics. Those said manufacturers, they can do things like enhance their productivity,
Mm,
streamline operations, and ultimately maintain that competitive edge in their respective rapidly growing markets.
right. That sounds impressive, Shannon. Let's talk about some key benefits of AI in manufacturing. If you can elaborate or share more information on this.
Sure. I mean, not limited to, but there's several substantial benefits
Mhm.
of AI in manufacturing, and that depends on the specific manufacturing discipline. But some of the key advantages that we've seen, include things like enhancing that production efficiency.
Mhm.
Predictive maintenance comes to mind, and really trying to solve, quality control problems. That is seems to be a big area where we've been focused.
Right.
And then the supply chain optimization, which then it ultimately leads to improved innovation and the customizations.
Right. Right. So, Shannon, let's start with enhancing production efficiency. How does AI contribute to that?
Sure. AI, it can automate those repetitive tasks and processes. So maximizing, efficiency and productivity.
Right.
Machine learning algorithms analyze the production data to identify, bottlenecks and make recommended improvements. And this not only reduces the human error, but allows employee to focus on more complex value-added activities. Like in addition to that, AI-powered predictive analytics, helps manufacturers anticipate market demands, adjust production schedules accordingly, which then leads to, like I mentioned earlier, streamlining of production lines, faster outputs, and lowering the overall operational costs.
Right. So, Shannon, thank you for sharing this information. Predictive maintenance is another critical area. So, how does AI add value and can be helpful when it comes to predictive maintenance?
Sure. I mean, predictive maintenance driven by AI, if I could use that phrase, is transforming factory operations, right?
Mhm.
Um, Analyzing data from sensors and machines. AI can then predict equipment failures before they even happen,
Mhm.
and then manufacturers have insights into performance maintenance
Mhm.
only when necessary, which reduces the downtime, extending the lifespan of machinery, right?
Right.
And and this is a proactive approach that not only saves costs but also ensures continuous and efficient production.
I see. I see. And what about quality control? How does AI improve the overall quality control, quality process?
Yeah, that's a big topic, and that's typically a starting point in our discussions here, and where we see that quality control, um, detecting defects and anomalies in
Hmm.
production with with accuracy, complementing the human inspection. So, if analyzing images and data to ensure that each product meets strict quality standards based
Right.
on the manufacturer's standards, and this leads to ultimately to higher customer satisfaction, reduces waste, and as defective products are identified and removed, it's done early in the production process.
Right. That's really important for maintaining high standards. Moving on to supply chain optimization, how does AI contribute here?
Yeah, I mean, SCM, supply chain management, predicting demand, um, refining that inventory management, improving planning, ML or machine learning algorithms like analyze historical data and market trends to make demand forecasting more accurate. So this helps manufacturers maintain the optimal inventory levels, which then does a couple things here. It reduces both overstock and stockouts. And then in addition to that, AI can streamline logistics and identifying the most efficient routes, delivery schedules, and enhancing the overall supply chain efficiency.
Right. And Shannon, I believe Microsoft has some new tools in this area, right? If you,
Yeah, I mean, Microsoft is at the cutting edge of tech, and we're seeing new tools, on a very regular basis. So Microsoft is previewing, a traceability add-in called Track Components with Dynamics Supply Chain Management. And what this tool does, it enhances the product genealogy visibility, if I could describe it as that, which allows businesses to track events and attributes throughout the supply chain. And it provides that an interface for data querying and analysis, which it's pretty crucial for addressing supply chain disruptions and ensuring resilience.
right, right. So finally, Shannon, let's talk about innovation and customization. How does AI support these areas in manufacturing?
Yeah, so AI driven design tools and simulations enable manufacturers to quickly develop and test new product designs, right? So
Right.
AI is also facilitates mass customizations, allows manufacturers to produce customized products at scale without sacrificing the efficiency, which I've been talking about. um, and this adaptability helps manufacturers respond to the changing market demands, the consumer preferences, ensuring they remain competitive in their specific evolving dynamic industry.
So Shannon, it's amazing to see how AI is empowering manufacturers. So how does Microsoft Dynamics 365 and Brightpoint AI's AI-powered defect detection solution, DefectGuard, fit into all this?
Yeah, I mean, look at Microsoft D365 as an AI powered ERP system, right? And that helps manufacturers do a few things, right? Creates connected factories, streamline operations, improve customer service, increase the flexibility and agility, um, do things like ensure data security, um, and then ultimately enhance the supply chain management. So with predictive analytics, you get the real-time data insights, automated workflow. This is all core functionality within this AI platform. And
Right.
then furthermore to that, it does enable manufacturers to make those informed decisions quickly. And with AI capabilities from our organization, Brightpoint AI, which is DefectGuard, D365 helps manufacturers not only keep up with the competition, but also set new industry standards.
Right. So, Shannon, thank you so much for sharing this insightful information. It's clear that AI is not just a trend, but a critical tool for transforming manufacturing.
Yeah, thanks, Prem. It's always great to have these discussions, and look forward to the next.
Thank you so much, Shannon. And to our listeners, thank you for tuning in and stay tuned for more episodes where we'll explore latest in AI technology and innovation. And until next time, this is Prem and Shannon signing off. Thank you.